Let's find out how to get an Excel file with a list of Salik toll trips in order to download its data to your fleet account in the MyTaxiCRM system. You need to open the Salik service website and log in with your client name and password. Use the sign in button at the top right. After logging in, your fleet's information panel will open. Here you will find your company's balance in the service, as well as a history of debits and usage. In the horizontal menu, there is a Trips tab. Here you can view a list of trips made by your fleet's vehicles, as well as the toll fees of each trip. Here, we only need the Toll Trips tab. Use the filter to choose trips for a specific period, the previous week, to download to MyTaxiCRM. Select the desired dates, click the filter button, and you will see the list you need, which you can expand. At the top, there is a block labeled Download Report as PDF or Excel. Click on the Excel button, and Salik will generate a file that will be downloaded to your computer. This file does not require additional formatting before uploading to MyTaxiCRM. Its formatting is automatically recognized. In the trip list table, there is a column labeled Amount, AED, with the toll fees charged for each trip. A value of 0 means that no Salik tolls were charged.